If you've been charged with a DUI, then you're going to want to pay extra close attention to my special guest today, who is Tony Miley. Tony is a DUI attorney in New Oxford, Pennsylvania, and he's one of the top DUI lawyers in the entire country. He's handled thousands of cases successfully. He's practiced law for over 25 years, and today he's going to be sharing some of his super special insights on what you can do to help your situation. So first of all, Tony, thanks for being here.
My pleasure, Frankie. Thanks for having me.
Tony, one of the things people listening might be wondering is, I've got this DUI charge. How do I know if I have a leg to stand on and even fight my case in the first place? How do I know I shouldn't just give up, not hire an attorney, and, let the court system do what it does?
Someone once said, a great philosopher, and I can't remember the name off the top of my head, but something we learned in law school real early. A man who has himself as a client, or represents himself as a fool for a client. An individual who represents themselves or thinks they can without any guidance from people who do this on a regular basis truly is uninformed, and I think they lose the objectivity to represent themselves. So they need to, at the very least, consult an attorney to find out whether or not they have a good case. And again, an experienced attorney, not your cousin's brother-in-law who practices wills and estates and contract law and really doesn't understand anything about DUI defenses. But speak to an attorney who is experienced. As in my case, 25 years of doing this stuff. You would want to at least consult that attorney, and if you trust the attorney's counsel, and in my case, I'll tell you whether or not you have a good case. You can talk to that attorney, find out what that attorney says. If that attorney doesn't think you have a good case, okay, then you can talk about your options afterwards. But again, you're talking with an attorney first. If you represent yourself, the short answer is you will never know whether you have a good case. And nobody should expect you to, because that's why we have attorneys, because they're supposed to be trained in this area. An individual who is not trained to be an attorney isn't expected to know whether or not they have a good case. So go talk to an attorney and find out whether or not you have a good case. Don't make that decision on your own.
So thanks again, Tony, for your incredible insights. If you're watching this video and you'd like to get more information, Tony has a special book called The Ultimate Guide to DUI. It'll explain to you everything you need to know about your DUI case in simple, plain, everyday English, no lawyer talk. And this way you can give yourself the best possible legal defense. So you're going to want to go ahead and download that for free by clicking the link below this video while supplies are available. So go ahead and grab your free book, and thanks for listening.